So in today's video, we're gonna repair this old Loin Symphonette. I'm assuming it's like from 1970 or so. If anybody knows, leave it down in the comments. This General Electric here, when I first got it, it could only pick up about 2 local stations. So what I did there, I got inside and I replaced the electrolytic capacitors with modern day equivalents. So the modern day equivalents are a lot smaller than the originals. I left this one here because that one controls the volume of the radio and that one's doing fine. But I replaced all the other ones. When I first got the radio, it could only listen to about 2 local AM stations. This is a AM only radio. And after I replaced those capacitors, the radio receives quite well.
COOP together. We whereas he is.
So as you can see, it's receiving quite a bit of stations there. This one here is a radio that I'm assuming is from like 1970 or so. If anybody knows exactly, let me know. I couldn't find any information for it online. Let me screenshot the model number here. And there it goes. I guess. Anyhow. Model number G/36, I guess. But this one here on AM, it's completely deaf. I heard one station way out in the distance. It was really low. And then FM, all the stations sound pinched up.
What a joy it is to hold again. Why will we see?
Alright, well there you have it. That's how you restore an old radio. Don't throw them in the trash. Just order your capacitors there and replace them. And you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, even suggestions down below. Bye.